Hey guys, this is Sunny from GoodPocketChange.com, and today I want to do a review of a website called ClickFunnels. You've probably heard of it and are wondering what it is and whether it's worth the price that it comes at. And so today I'm going to go through ClickFunnels and talk about some of the features it has. I've been using it for quite some time now, and I have to say it is pretty impressive what it's capable of doing. There are people that started on ClickFunnels and have been making thousands and thousands of dollars within a few months of just starting. It's an incredible platform, and it's built mainly for entrepreneurs that want to succeed online. And so I will give you some things that I like about it and some things that I don't like, and hopefully you'll get a good idea of how ClickFunnels can help your business. So when you're in the home page, you just click here and add a new funnel, build funnel, and create a funnel. And what I like to do is collect emails. I think emails are very important as an entrepreneur. So let's create a funnel collecting emails. And let's call this funnel collecting emails. And this funnel could have pretty much any purpose. We could be giving away a free ebook, or we could be having them sign up for a seminar. And as you can see here, it created a very simple email opt-in funnel. And right here is the funnel, here's the opt-in, and here's the thank you page. And you don't have to actually stick with what they have. You can actually add a new step. And right here you can call this, you can say right after they opt in, I want to sell them something. So you can call this, name this funnel sales page. And I'm going to create the funnel step. And another cool thing is you can reorganize your funnel page very easily. So I could move this up right here. So it'd be opt-in, and then sales page, and then thank you. So as soon as they opt in, the next page you could try and sell them something, and then once they purchase, the next page they will be taken to is the thank you page. So here you have your opt-in, then you have your sales page, and then you have your thank you page. But right here I named it sales page, but it doesn't know that I want it to be a sales page, so I'm going to choose sales page right over here. So you can check out some templates that they have for sales page, and you can preview them. Let's see, let's preview this one. So basically here you would put in your information, your video, and plug in your details. And let's check out a next one. Let's see what this one, let's see what this one looks like. Here's another one, not bad. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and choose this template. Okay, so we've chosen the sales page now. All right, so here's the page right here, and I'm going to click on edit page. Okay, and here's the page pre-built. And now let me show you how to use the editor. So the whole idea with ClickFunnels is it's built in rows, so you can see this is one and this is another one. And all of these are pre-built for us. So you can edit, change things up, put in your details. And here's another section you can edit here. You could change the text of the button to say, yes, sign me up. And then you could set an action for the button. So you could say, you want it to go to a specific website, usually you want the button to go to the next step within the funnel. So you go here. So hopefully you get an idea of how easy it is to build this. If you wanted to customize the entire thing, you can. So if I wanted to add in a new element here, you have options to change photos, change text. So for example, if I wanted to add a new element, I could click right here, add a new element, and they give me a headline I could add, bullet list, paragraph, image, video, pretty much anything you could think of. So whatever you want, you could just select and then drag it right in here, and it'll show up right here. So it really is that easy. The entire ClickFunnels platform is built on pre-built funnels and customized for you, or you could customize it yourself. And you can actually preview it so you can see what it looks like on an actual website. And here's a video. You can add a YouTube video or a custom embed, Vimeo, HTML. You have your autoplay on, off, your controls on and off, overlay text. And it really is that easy. You just plug in whatever you want and you could customize this completely from top to bottom. Alright, and so that's the sales funnel. And once they click that button, you can just add another step. Let's say checkout. So it'll be where they enter in their information and check out. Okay, and then I would move the checkout right up here, right after sales. So then right after the sales page, they see the checkout page. Alright, so now with the checkout, we want to get an order form. So you go over to sales, scroll down and get an order form. And then it gives you these templates for order forms, and you could just build them to exactly how you want. So it really is easy to create a funnel from top to bottom using ClickFunnels. You build the funnel to be exactly like you want, and you could customize it to do pretty much anything you want. And it could help you convert people 10 times easier than if you were not to be using ClickFunnels. Another cool feature about ClickFunnels is that they allow you to A/B test your pages. So as you can see, this is my opt-in page, which is the first page in my funnel. And so let's use this as a template for the opt-in page. Alright, and here is the page, and you could basically do a split test of it to have different variations of the page. And what I'll do is I'll click variation, and then you have the option to choose from a template or from a duplicate. And what I do is I'll usually use from a duplicate and just make some minor changes to it, and then you can test to see which page converts the best. Another cool thing about ClickFunnels is their membership area. So you can create a funnel that just makes people a member of your site. And you have some amazing templates to choose from. So it's in the membership portal. You could upload lessons in the membership area and give people access to those lessons. You could offer access to ebooks. So I'm not going to go into detail on this, but just know that you have that option with ClickFunnels. Another thing that I really like is how it can integrate. So just scroll up here in your account and integrations. And it can integrate to tons of different things, meaning it can connect with different things. So you can connect it to MailChimp, you can connect it to Facebook, you can connect it to Shopify. There's many options you can connect with, and it's a one-click setup, very easy to use. Also easy to integrate with payment gateways such as Stripe or PayPal. So the process to accept payment from members is super easy. Another thing that I want to talk about is their affiliate program. They have an amazing affiliate program where you can get up to 40% of anyone that you refer. You get 40% of their monthly recurring payments. So if somebody signs up and stays there for 5 years, you'll probably be getting $40 a month for the next 5 years. And they have a ton of links that you can send out. There's many options to choose from, and it's a very profitable affiliate program. Another thing that I love is their affiliate bootcamp that teaches you how to succeed online. It's not just for ClickFunnels. They want you to succeed and be able to sell online and recommend people. So they give you literally hundreds of hours of free courses on how to sell online. The courses are taught by a man named Russell Brunson, who is probably one of the best online marketers today, who has made tons of multi-million-dollar businesses. Very smart guy, and he shows you exactly what he does to succeed online. Another thing that I love is their support. ClickFunnels has great support. They're always available. You click this blue pop-up. They'll send you videos that are custom made for you to help you with the problems or whatever you're facing. Another thing is that they have the ability to customize domains. So if you already have a website, you could add ClickFunnels as a separate subdomain, or you could download the plugin if WordPress is what your website is on, and you can integrate it in that way. And here are the cons. One of the cons I would say is that when customizing some of the funnels, it could be a little frustrating trying to get the funnels to do exactly what you want them to do. Sometimes you have to mess around and play with them just to get it to your liking. Another con is the price. I know that $100 a month can kind of be steep, and honestly, it's what turned me off in the beginning. But after using it and seeing that it's a really great tool, it's absolutely worth it. And with their affiliate program, if you get 2 people to sign up, let's say that's like 100 each, and you're getting 40%, so you're looking at almost an $80 a month. So you basically can have this paying for itself, and it's an amazing tool because it offers you many features such as landing pages, opt-in pages, and just a complete funnel that is pre-made for you. So I hope you enjoyed this ClickFunnels review. Please comment below if you have any questions, any issues, or if you feel like there's anything that wasn't answered in this review. I also have a link to ClickFunnels below to give you a free 14-day trial, so you can try it out and it's free. And I will see you guys in the next video.